Welcome back. It's James again with more information about interpreting the vowel letters of English. Today we're going to look at letter O. Letter O has 4 common interpretations that you should know and begin to use. Okay? So here we have short O and it sounds like ah. So here we have Bob. There are many common names with ah. In John, in Tom, in Robert, in Donald Trump, it's ah, okay? Here we go. Then we have what we call long O, and it's O. There's some movement. O as in home, or no, or go. Right, the English O is not the same as Spanish O. We'll get to Spanish O. Here we have central vowel O. It's not ah, not O. It's really relaxed. Try to say almost no vowel. Okay, in a word like money, money. Very neutral. So here we go. And look at popular songs for words like money. It's not about the money, 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 and you will hear it. And then we have some letter O's which sound like basically Spanish O, or the O represented by International Phonetic Alphabet symbol, like that. So let's look for them here. Jones boy is on top of the house. Jones boy is on top of the house. Let's look for ah. Where do you hear ah with one of these letter O's, or maybe more than one? Jones boy is on top of the house. Not here, not here. We're listening for ah. On is ah. So mark short O with a dot to indicate ah. You need to establish the relationship, the association between the sound ah and the letter O. Here we go. On top, also top, like Bob. On top of the house. There is ah in house. Jones boy is on top of the house. Very good. Now, do we hear any O? Where do you hear O? Jones boy is on top of the house. Jones, Joe. Now, there's no sound with the A, so cross it out. And make sure you put some oo into your English long O. Jones boy. Exaggerate a little bit. Jones boy is on top of the house. Very good. Where do we hear O as a? Jones boy is on top of the house. Right here, on top of the house. Of, but we often reduce of to on top of the house. Right here. Now here we have in a word like toy, it's O as if it were Spanish, followed by Y, a little bit of E sound, toy. Okay, boy. Boy is the same thing. We don't need to mark it because it's functioning as a phonetic symbol. Okay, Jones boy is on top of the house. Jones boy is on top of the house. Jones boy is on top of the house. Very good. Thank you for practicing with me. You can find more practice and courses to sign up for at www.dewlang.com. Dewlang is DEWLANG.com. Thanks a lot.